1. Introduction. Welcome to this video where we will explore the subject of starting and growing a successful small business. Taking the leap and becoming an entrepreneur can be both challenging and rewarding. I am here to share my own experiences and insights to help you on your journey. Follow the channel. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give it a like. Thank you. It helps me to be able to provide you with more inspiring and easily digestible videos like this. 2. Background. Before we dive into the topic, I want to share my own background and experiences of starting a small business. I have encountered both challenges and successes along the way, and I hope that my experiences can be beneficial to you. 3. First lesson. One important lesson I have learned is the importance of consistency and developing a unique style or voice to get followers. By being consistent in your message and delivering high-quality content, you can attract and retain loyal customers. 4. Second lesson. Another important factor is having an overall vision or plan for your business. Even if you are starting simply because you love creating, it is important to have a clear direction to strive towards. A well-defined vision can guide your decisions and help you achieve long-term success. 5. Idea phase. Now, let's take a look at the idea phase. In a world where sustainability and personal style are in focus, the idea to start my own store came to me as a commitment to offer unique and environmentally friendly products. My passion for design and interest in eco-friendly materials were crucial factors that influenced my decision. I began planning by researching market trends and listening to customer needs. This led me to explore a collection of handmade, recyclable products for conscious lifestyle choices. 6. Transition to action. Moving from planning to action can be a challenge in itself. One of the biggest challenges I encountered was balancing my pursuit of perfection with the need to take concrete steps forward. This required overcoming my tendency to get caught up in excessive planning and instead focusing on making progress in a pragmatic way. Taking the first step is often the hardest, but it is necessary to realize your vision. 7. Design phase. Sharing my experience of designing my own products, I faced challenges in fine-tuning details and finding the right balance between aesthetics and functionality to create high-quality products. I found inspiration by researching the industry, studying trends, and conducting customer surveys. This allowed me to customize my products and appeal to my target audience in the best possible way. 8. Sharing your goals. Sometimes it can be advantageous to keep your goals and plans to yourself until you actually start executing them. By avoiding too much external influence and distractions, you can better focus on bringing your ideas to life. 9. Setting a deadline. An important part of staying on track is setting a firm deadline for opening your store. By establishing a clear deadline for the store's opening, I created a sense of responsibility and pressure. This helped me organize my work effectively, stay on track, and make tangible progress towards my goals. 10. Opening the store. On the big day of the store's opening, I spread the joy by advertising it through social media, local events, and personal invitations. The overwhelming response from potential customers filled me with happiness and confirmed that my vision had become a reality. It was an unforgettable feeling to see people coming through the doors and appreciating the products and atmosphere I had created. 11. First sale. My first sale was filled with excitement, pride, and a strong sense of accomplishment. It confirmed that my hard work and belief in my products had paid off. However, it is important to focus not only on success but also on the lessons learned when realizing that initial expectations may not always be met. Failures can be just as valuable for growth and learning as successes. 12. Practical tips. Some practical tips for running a successful small business include offering affordable shipping options. This is to attract customers and having a wide range of products from the start to meet different customers' needs. This creates an appealing and versatile shopping experience. 13. Choosing a platform. The choice of platform for my store was carefully considered. I chose to start my own website instead of using an existing sales platform like Etsy. This was because I wanted full control over my brand, customized features, and a direct communication channel with my customers. Although I faced challenges in building an initial customer base and marketing my own platform, it was worth the effort. 14. Packaging and delivery. In my work with packaging and delivery, I strive to streamline the process. This involves finding the perfect balance between aesthetics and practicality. I create attractive packaging that protects the products in the best possible way and provides a memorable customer experience. Tell about us in socials. Twitter, @DestinyEngine1, YouTube, @DestinyEngine.